Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video, discuss about right hand and left hand limits. Here, first, the definition of right hand and left hand limits. F of x is a function. It has x greater than a and x less than a. Two functions, x greater than a and x less than a. Right hand limit is represented by RHL. It is limit extends to a plus f of x. Left hand limit LHL. It is limit extends to a minus f of x. Here the definition of right hand limit. Let a, L, H belongs to R, H greater than 0 and F be a function defined on capital A equal to A comma A plus H. The L is said to be a right limit of F at A. It is denoted by limit extends to A plus F of x equal to L. Limit extends to a plus f of x equal to limit extends to 0 f of a plus x. Next, left hand limit LHL. Let a L H belongs to R, comma H greater than 0 and f be a function defined on capital A equal to A minus H comma A. The L is said to be a left limit f at A. It is denoted by limit extends to A minus f of x equal to L. Limit extends to a minus f of x equal to limit extends to 0 f of a minus x. The brief explanation of definition: if f of x has two functions x greater than a and x less than a, the right hand limit is limit extends to a plus f of x and left hand limit is limit extends to a minus f of x. Next one important point: if RHL right hand limit equal to LHL left hand limit, then the limit is exist and the value is limit value. Second one, if RHL right hand limit is not equal to LHL left hand limit, then the limit does not exist. Next, discuss about one model question. Define f from R to R by f of x equal to 1 if x less than or equal to 0, 1 plus x if x greater than 0. Check this function f of x is exist or does not exist. Here in this question, f of x has two different values. If x less than or equal to 0, f of x equal to 1. If x greater than 0, f of x is equal to 1 plus x. First find right hand limit. Right hand limit RHL. Limit extends to a plus. Here in a equal to 0. To find at x equal to 0, limit extends to 0 plus f of x equal to limit extends to 0 plus means x greater than 0. The f of x function is 1 plus x. Limit extends to 0 plus, substitute in x equal to 0, 1 plus 0. Here the right hand limit value is 1. Next, left hand limit LHL. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x equal to, here limit x tends to 0 minus means x less than or equal to 0 f of x. The f of x value is 1. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x value 1. Limit x tends to a constant is equal to constant. Here limit x tends to 0 minus constant. The constant value is 1. The answer is 1. To observe that the RHL value is 1, LHL value is 1. RHL equal to LHL. F of x is exist at x equal to 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, f of x, the value is 1. Limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to 1. Next, discuss about modulus function. Mod x. Mod x equal to plus or minus x. If x greater than 0, mod x equal to x. If x less than 0, mod x is equal to minus x. In limits, limit x tends to a plus mod x equal to limit x tends to a plus x. X tends to a plus means x greater than a. If x greater than a, mod x is equal to x. Limit x tends to a minus mod x equal to limit x tends to a minus x. If x less than a, mod x is equal to minus x. Limit x less than a means limit x tends to a minus. Limit x tends to a minus, mod x is equal to minus x. Next, discuss about integral part of x. Integral part of x written as box x. The integral part of x is always integer. It is observed that box x less than or equal to x. Here some example. 4.75 box, that value is equal to 4. 0.57 box, that value equal to 0. Here to observe that integral part of x is less than or equal to x. Here 4.75, this value is less than or equal to 4. 0.57, this value equal to less than or equal to 0. To observe that 4.75 is a number lies in between 4 and 5. This number is always, this number is x, this number is always lies l less than x less than n plus 1. L less than x less than l plus 1. This box s is exist at n. Here 4.75 lies 4 and 5. Then integral part of x, integral part of 4.75 is equal to 4. Box 4.75 is equal to 4. Box 0.57 equal to 0. Box minus 1.79 equal to minus 2. Here 0, minus 1, minus 2. 1.79 minus 1.79 lies minus 2 and minus 1. The exist value is minus 2. Box minus 1.79 equal to minus 2. Box minus 5.09 equal to minus 6. Here to observe that limit x tends to a plus box x equal to a. Limit x tends to a minus box x is equal to a minus 1. For example, limit x tends to 2 plus box x, the value is 2. Limit x tends to 2 minus box x, here a minus 1, 2 minus 1, that value is 1. Exercise 8b, find the right and left limits of the following functions or the point A. Hence check whether the functions have limits or those A's. First question, f of x equal to 1 minus x if x less than or equal to 1. 1 plus x if x greater than 1, To check this function is exist or does not exist at a is equal to 1. This is the solution of the problem. If f of x is given, a is equal to 1. First to find the right hand limit. Right hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x equal to limit x tends to 1 plus the f of x value is 1 plus x. Here in x equal to 1, 1 plus 1 that equal to 2. Next to find the left hand limit. Left hand limit means to take the function x less than 1. The x less than 1 f of x is equal to 1 minus x. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 1 minus the f of x equal to 1 minus x. Here to substitute in x equal to 1 that equal to 1 minus 1 0. To observe that the right hand limit value is 2 and left hand limit value is 0. Here RHL does not equal to LHL. Therefore f of x does not exist at a is equal to 1. Second question, f of x equal to x plus 2 if minus 1 less than x less than equal to 3, x square if 3 less than x less than 5. To find the right hand limit and left hand limit at a is equal to 3. Here to observe that in this question at a is equal to 3, 3 less than x. 3 less than x means x greater than 3. X greater than 3, the f of x is x square. This is the right hand limit value function. 3 less than x means x greater than 3. Then limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. The f of x value is x square. X less than equal to 3. If x less than equal to 3, the function f of x is equal to x plus 2. If limit x tends to 3 minus f of x, the function is equal to x plus 2. Here in this question, to find right hand limit and left hand limit at a is equal to 3. Given a equal to 3, right hand limit, limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 3 plus means x greater than 3 f of x. Here f of x is equal to x square if 3 less than x less than 5. 3 less than x means x greater than 3. If x greater than 3, f of x is equal to x square. Limit x tends to 3 plus x square. In x substitute 3 that equal to 3 square. 3 square equal to 9 that equal to 9. Next to find left hand limit. Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x. If x less than or equal to 3, f of x is x plus 2. X tends to 3 minus f of x means to take the function x less than 3 or equal to f of x. The f of x value is x plus 2. Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x equal to x plus 2. In x substitute 3 that equal to 3 plus 2 that equal to 5. To observe that the right hand limit value is 9, the left hand limit value is 5. Here these two limits are not equal. RHL not equal to LHL. Therefore f of x does not exist at a is equal to 3. Next question number 3. F of x equal to x by 2 if x less than 2, x square by 3 if x greater than or equal to 2, a is equal to 2. In this question to find right hand limit and left hand limit at a is equal to 2. Right hand limit extends to at a is equal to 2, limit extends to 2 plus f of x is equal to, limit extends to 2 plus, here extends to 2 plus means to take f of x greater than or equal to 2. If x greater than or equal to 2, the f of x is equal to x square by 3. To substitute x equal to 2, that equal to 2 square by 3. 2 square value is 4, that equal to 4 by 3. Next to find left hand limit. Limit extends to 2 minus f of x is equal to, limit extends to 2 minus, extends to 2 minus means to take the function x less than 2. If x less than 2, f of x is equal to x by 2. Substitute in x equal to 2, that equal to 2 by 2, the value that equal to 1. To observe that right hand limit and left hand limit not equal. RHL does not equal to LHL. Therefore, f of x does not exist at a is equal to 2. Next video discuss some more problems about right hand and left hand limits. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe, and also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.